Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And I have a 14-inch round artist loft canvas here. And I have all my leftover paints from my last pour. And I want to use that today. And I will list them all down below. And I'm going to use this Waterfall cup from Bryan's Spontaneous Creations. So let's see how I'm going to do this.
Sing along as they hum and be fulfilled. Many more will come, many more under the sun. Pack your finest suit. We will keep it steady. We will be the confetti. If we fail, we just reboot. Grass is greener on this side. Are you ready for new? New beginnings, new pride. Let your spirit shine through. Many more will come, oh, many more. Under the sun, pack your finest suit, and we will keep it steady. We will be the confetti, and if we fail, we just reboot. Nothing can hold us back. Oh, nothing can take us down. We stand joined. Many more will come, oh, many more under the sun. Pack your finest suit. We will keep it steady. We will be the confetti, and if we fail, we just reboot. We just reboot.
Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. Tired snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit the ground. I hear the sound of empty streets. Yesterday has gone to sleep. All that's left is you and me. I can't promise you're the only thing I see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in a dream. Quiet voices in the night. Time is running out of sight. A lonely is passing by, tries to carry all the whispers that it finds. The walls are listening when we talk, making echoes as we walk. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in a dream. Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see. This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads
As you will see later on, the flow extender that I'm adding here had a lot of satin enamel in it because it makes a lot of pearls at the sides of my painting. But I do remedy that, and you're going to see how.
This morning has so clear a light as any to see the horizon and the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a rage. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today it's a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day to live.
I had some extra paints in the cup, and I decided to just pour that all around. I wasn't looking for any pearls in this particular painting, so I decided I would just cover up those pearls, and I love the result that I got from this. So if you're looking for something and you're not happy with it, there's always a way out. And this was my way today. And I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. If you have not seen Janet acrylic creations with Jay Whitty, who was before me, and Cynthia Porter Studio. Please take a moment and go back and check out their channels. This is a Friday with Friends, and we are coming back after our holiday. So I do hope you had a great day today, and I know I did, and thank you all for coming. So please enjoy the rest of this video, and if you're not subscribed, please take a moment and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. And we'll see you as we go along. Thank you.
Nothing ever felt as good or as easy as when we were young. Oh, though I felt misunderstood, it was a pleasure running away with you. We were just children acting like a doll, crazy, naive, bold and carefree. We were kids having kids, crazy, naive. It amazes me that we didn't fall apart harder than we did. Now they keep us on speaking terms. We grow and we learn. I have no regrets, only for
So this concludes my Friday with Friends. Here's the wet results, and I really love the way this came out. I love that waterfall cup. I forgot how much I enjoyed it. So I really had a lot of fun using it tonight, and I'll put that link down below to Spontaneous Creations, to Bryan's Spontaneous Creations. And I hope you enjoyed tonight's Friday with Friends. And this is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off with love, light, and laughter. I hope everyone had a Happy New Year. And according to the talk, they said that it's okay to say Happy New Year up until the first week. So it's still the first week of the new year. So I say Happy New Year, everyone. Happy, healthy, and prosperous. And keep that inspiration going. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. And I always love to hear comments, so please leave a comment if you have anything to say. I'd love to hear it. And I almost forgot, today is Little Christmas. It's January 6th, and that's when you're supposed to take your Christmas tree down. It's when the three wise men made it to the baby Jesus. So if you didn't take your tree down, take that down today. It's your last day. Happy Epiphany, everyone.